Yo guys, this is Wolf. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami claw. So you put it on your finger, and once you have 10, this isn't the best one, but once you have 10, then you can put them all on. And as you can see, that's what I've done. I've made 10. So you can make 10 and then you'll look like Wolverine almost. So let's get to it. So I'll just move this over here. I hope that's good for you. Right, so firstly, we get this corner and we bring it over and fold it. So here, so this corner is very sharp. So once you've done that, you should have a page that looks like that. And if you follow that, you got that, and then you go back in. And then once we've done that, we fold this big corner that we made over to this little corner. And then we fold that. So now we should have something. If we turn it over, it should look like a house. But we want the bit where we can fold it up, okay? So then we're going to get here and bring it up so it's in line with this piece of paper. So it should be here. And we do the exact same on the other side. Now if we turn it over, it should be a bad looking diamond. So yeah. But we want the bit where it folds, where it opens. So once we've done that, we fold here up to here. Alright? And then we want to get here and to make this edge at halfway. So by doing that, we're going to put our finger here on the very edge. Then we're going to fold it until it looks like that. Okay? You can rewind it if you missed something. Alright, so then we get this long bit and we fold it around like that. And once we've got that, so now we should have a look like that, and we can fold it out like that. But when this is finished, we shouldn't be able to. Then once we've done that, turn it around and fold it over again. We're so close, we've got one step to go. And see this bit that we just folded? We're going to put that in this little socket here. Okay? So we'll fold it in to that socket. Okay? Now we should have something that looks like this. Okay? And if it's like this, then you turn it like that. Here should be a little hole, okay? So we want to go like that, okay? And then we bend our finger and squeeze our finger inside. So now we have one claw. Once you've made 10 of these, 10, we put them on each and every finger. So it looks pretty cool with one hand, doesn't it? But it's a bit harder because this hand you have to put it on like that. And then once it's really hard actually, so if it's easy, then that's actually quite surprising. And then our last one, the moment of truth. We put it on our pinky. And there we are. We are now the newest Wolverine. Okay? So it should look like this on one side, on your palms side. And when we're going to turn it around, has spikes here. Pretty cool. So now you can play around with these, do what you want. It's a good head massager as well. That's good. So once you've done that, you're all set. And you can color it and do all sorts of stuff with it. And color's probably better, but I didn't have time to do that. And once you've made 10, you can have a lot of fun. So there you go. If you want 10, just start the video again. Or if you have a good brain and you've memorized it, then that's good because you can make all the others. So this is our clothes that we made today, and this is just the beginning, guys. Okay. So there we go. Now you know how to make an origami Wolverine claw, because Wolverine's come out in between his knuckles, but almost. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video and see you in my next one. Bye. Peace out.